disturbed childhood would affect one's life in many ways. This is one such story, a story of pain, love, a story of friendship.
Hello, I'm Riya Chalani. I had a problem to which I made a decision today. As a child, my parents would never let me play outside. They would say it's not safe. Growing up in suburban India was never easy. The school bell meant I should be home in 15 minutes or my father's belt will lose more leather. Every day was the same deal of me, myself, and my favorite book of fairy tales. Time moved on, but life had a stamp on it, loneliness. I joined college, a new place away from home, but nothing changed.
Well, I have with me a student from Chennai Loyola College.
Friendship is an everlasting bond.
Okay.
More than any other.
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Well, looks like the friendship level is pretty high.
Tina Matthews, BSc Comc. Riya, Disco. The college is such a maze around. How many corners does one have to go through? There's not only one guy worth looking around. Mumbai was much more happening. Hey, where can I find a place to stay around here? I'm new here. The hostels are full, but you could stay with me. Like, I have a small place and I live alone. Alone? That's weird. But that will be great. Thanks a ton. It's nice, but a bit messy. But it's okay. Roomie! On. Listen, I just devised this. The time period of acceptance of a proposal by a boy or a girl is directly proportional to the longevity of the relationship.
Sounds so complicated. Okay, how?
Arey, simple. The longer you think before plunging into the relationship, the longer it lasts. For example, kuch kuch hota hai, DDLJ, mujhse dosti karoge, same thing.
Sounds weird still. But can I ask who this and that smile on your face is for? Well, if you can trust me on that.
No, yaar.
Tell me now. Tell me.
Okay, it's Rohan. I know it's like sudden and I hardly know him. But I just adore him. Tina, I'll just kill you if you just say this to anyone. I think I'm in love with him.
Wow, what choice hai yaar. Awesome choice. But hey, you aren't getting him sitting here like this. Meri man, get a life. Change. Become more presentable. Get the light of your beauty. And don't you worry, main hu na.
It's working. I walked into class today with Priya and he checked me out.
What did I tell you? Just go. Ask him out.
What? No.
Hey, Dumbo, you aren't getting him like this. Just go now. Ask him out.
Rohan? Rohan, from the first day I saw you, I adored you. I used to hurry to class every day just to get a chance to look at you. I crave for the day I could be in your arms.
Rose.
Yeah, the rose that you gave me jokingly has been one of the biggest assets in my life. You're the only light in my life, Rohan. I love you. And I wish you'd love me too.
Well, Priya, this is a sudden surprise to me. I mean, you're a great girl, but I think we should get to know each other better. And then one day, everything took a new meaning. So what are you doing tomorrow?
Something. I don't know.
You see me tomorrow?
Maybe I have other plans.
Like what?
I don't know.
Right, anyway, hey. See? You don't love me. You just make these stupid statements about loving me. You don't even care. This is incredible, but who's that? That
Tina,
Tina?
do you think I wouldn't include the sole fact of us being together in this portrayal?
But where's she now?
She just left when we came in. Didn't you see her? She's such a darling. The best thing that ever happened to me. She's been there
I was
whenever I
startled.
needed her.
The very next day, I took the matter to my aunt, a psychologist. She asked me to bring Ria along.
That's a wonderful story, Ria, and I should say you really got me Bhatija in a real crook's hold. I would love to meet this friend of yours. It's really difficult to get such friends nowadays, isn't it? I mean, since how long have you known her? Where did you meet her?
On Friendship's Day, Auntie. Remember Rohan? She came to college, then she talked to me, and then we started living together. And then we became friends.
Ria, it may sound shocking, but I'm going to be very frank with you on this. This Tina doesn't exist. She's an illusion.
What?
Your friend Tina doesn't exist.
You're joking, right? I mean, I live with her. I've seen
I'm
her.
serious, and that's why I'm saying, Ria. You have started seeing her at the peak of your loneliness. That's it. But you need not worry, because with a little bit of...
She's lying, sweetie. How
Can
can
you
I
not
not
exist?
exist?
After all the moments we had together, you know what's happening, sweetie? Rohan likes me, and he's asked me out, to which I refused. So just making up all this to break us up.
Ria? She doesn't exist.
I'm your best friend here. If she does exist, why wouldn't she have another friend? Just don't listen to her.
Ria?
Why does she go for a date? Where does she stay in Bombay? Why does not she get calls? Why doesn't she speak against you?
I had to make a decision. Should I stay with my love and forget Tina? Or the vice versa? I needed my love who meant the world to me. But I could never forget Tina, who created this world for me. I do understand with all this medication, one day she'll go away. But till then, she'll be my soul, my mentor, my best friend.
Priya had made a decision, and I would stand by her, always in her pursuit to happiness.